I carried a carbine most of the time. My pal Al Cohn preferred the Garand, uh, but it was too big and clumsy for me as fast as I had to move around with my platoon and my squads. So I carried a shoulder weapon and a pistol, and that was suffice for me.
And how would you assess your personal weapons at that time? Were they effective given your combat role?
Yes, they were effective. They did the job that they were required to do. I kept them spotless clean. Uh, I'd prefer not to talk about when I used them specifically, but uh, I can assure you that they were effective.
And then the assessment from the everyday combat troops with the M1 Garand, we've heard that that was one of the best combat rifles at the time. Is that a pretty fair assessment?
Yeah, my guys liked it. They almost loved it. They'd sleep with it. Uh, it was, well, their lives depended on it. And it became their best friend. It was a good weapon.